Hey YouTube, this is Lauren Grootman from laurengrootman.com. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to get your kids to help you clean without stressing out. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking to you about my 4 favorite cleaning tools that I use to help my kids keep the house clean. Now, as you know, I'm a mom of 4, and here's one of them. And there's another one. And there's another one. Okay. So anyway, I have 4 kids, and I have a house to maintain, and I really need help. Let's just put it that way. I really need help. So I have some very easy tools that I use to help keep my house clean, the bathrooms clean, and their bedrooms clean. So without further ado, let me walk you through what these are like and how you can get them as well. Okay, so the very first thing I'm gonna be talking about is keeping my kids' bedrooms clean using Beddy's bedding. They are an all-in-one bed that includes your fitted sheet, your folded sheet, your blanket, and your pillow shams. And for the kids to make their bed, as you can see, Kaylee here is just simply zipping up in the sides of her bed. And there's 2 zippers, one on either side of the bed. And it also has a soft minky fabric. And so it's really easy. You know, one of my daughters has this cool loft bed that we built her. And it was really hard for her to make her bed until we got Beddy's bed. So we got her Beddy's bed. She can zip it up, and now her bedroom can stay clean and look tidy. Even my son has it. He has a gray version of his Beddy's bed, and he loves it. It keeps his room nice and clean. He also has kind of a loft-style bed as well. And we also have one on our bed, which we love. There's zippers on each side, and here you can see the minky fabric, and they're super easy to wash. So there's the minky fabric as like your top sheet, and we just absolutely love them. The next thing that I love, this was kind of a splurge for me. I've never bought a nice vacuum like this, with a Shark Ion vacuum. I'll leave the link below. And this is so easy for my kids to vacuum. I don't have to go and plug something in or anything like that. They know where it is. It's easy for them to maneuver. It's lightweight. There's actually a top part that comes off, so if they need to vacuum out the couch or the car, that is super easy for them as well. So I love this vacuum. My house is vacuumed every single day by one of my children, and it has a hardwood and a rug. Another thing that I love are Norwick's cleaning cloths. Now these are sold by at-home distributors, and so I love them because they're environmentally friendly. The kids can clean off the kitchen or the bathroom counters with these, so they don't have to use any chemicals. I'm always scared about kids using chemicals, so and getting them in their mouth and stuff. So here's my 4-year-old Abby cleaning off our bathroom cabinets, and she does a great job. All right, the next one that I love, the last one actually, are laundry detergent pods. Before I used pods, my kids did not do their own laundry because it was just too much of a hassle. So yes, I splurge. These are one of my splurge items in our budget that I buy laundry detergent pods. There's lots of different brands, Tide, OxyClean, Purex, kind of everybody's doing it. But I really like the Tide ones. Personally, I think they clean the best, so we use those all the time. All right, so I also have chore charts here. So each kid has their chores for the week and what it all looks like, all laid out, so that when they come home, they can actually use a dry erase marker and check this off. And they can come home and from school, and I know exactly who has to do what chore, and they know to check their chore chart. And these are just printed off. I'll leave the link below so you can print off your own chore chart, and then laminated with a laminator machine. So I'll post a link to my favorite laminator in the comments below, as well as all the links to the products that I talked about today, so that you can, you know, keep your house clean and maybe get yourself just a little bit of sanity. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below, and hope that this helps you keep your house clean. Bye!